Alright, in this video we are going to see how to create this mobile selling website using WordPress and WooCommerce. So with this website you can sell the mobile online. Fine, what all things we have? We have a banner, you can see. These are the mobiles which is available on this website which for selling. And now we have mobile brands. At present we have only 3 brands, which is OnePlus, Samsung and Vivo, that can be displayed over here. And for the popular products, we have almost 6 mobiles in this website. So out of 6 we have 4 popular mobiles. That means this mobile is sold sold more as compared to other mobiles. Now we have customer reviews. So we'll be seeing how to create this from scratch with WordPress and Elementor. Now this is discount products. You can see these are on sales, and you can make a coupon code as well. So if you apply this coupon code while purchasing, you'll get 30% discount. So let me choose a product. So we have a variable product as a single product. So single product means uh, let's first let me first show you variable products, then only you'll understand single product. So variable product, so we have 2 variation of this particular product. The variation in this sense, we have color, like the first one is black and the second one is gold. So let me show you. So this is how our product page looks like. So you can see we can select the image, make sure the page is completely load. And now if you remember, we have 3 categories. So we are on the category Vivo, and inside the Vivo we have a product called Vivo Y35. So this is a variable product, as I said. uh, so these are different images. You can click on zoom in as well and change and check the image, and on hover also you can find that there is a zooming effect. Cool. So this is the description about the mobile, and this price starts from 18,000 to 20,000. Why is the difference? If you click on gold, you'll find the gold is 18,000. If you click on black, the black is 22,000 and it's on sale. It is actually 28,000 and you're getting it on 22,000. Cool. Now this is a variable product. So this is a description about it. This is additional description, weight, dimension, color, and then we have a review. If you want, you can leave the review. Let me leave the review. Awesome. You just need a new. Click on submit, and then we have related products. You can see related products to Vivo and related products again of the same category. We just have only one, so only one is showing up. Cool. Now the single product. In the single product we don't have price variation, so there is one there you can directly access this. The same design. Now if you click on shop, all the products will be available, and at present we have 5 products. On a hover you can see the image is getting changed, and you can sort them with popularity, average rating, latest, price, low to high, and high to low. So this is product low to high, starting from 12,000 and ends on 55,000. And if you want the price to be filtered, 27 to 39. We have one product from 27 to 39, which is this Vivo 23, and based on the category also we can filter it. So fine. Now let me see how to purchase this. Now for the purchasing, let me choose the black and add this to cart, and you'll see Vivo is added to the cart. Click on checkout, and now here the taxes is calculated automatically by the WooCommerce. And if you see, I have made the shipping price in 3 categories. The shop is in Maharashtra. If the uh, customer is also from Maharashtra, then the shipping price is free. The shop is in Maharashtra again. The customer is from Goa, so the shipping price is flat rate of 500 rupees. Then again, we know the shop is in Maharashtra, and the customer is from Tamil Nadu, so the shipping price is flat rate of 1000 rupees, because we have a distance That's the condition is of distance. That's why I have increased the shipping rate to 1000. Fine, let me see in action. So just pass the name, company name, address, just give a random values. But here it's important because if I make this Maharashtra 421201, some random phone number, 10 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and email address. So if you see free shipping because we have added Maharashtra. If I make this Goa, GOA, you will see the shipping rate of 500 rupees. If I make this again Tamil Nadu, the shipping rate should be 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. And again, if you see uh, for Tamil Nadu, the yes CGST is applied. For Maharashtra, CGST will be applied. CGST is applied. Cool. Now let me check the coupon. For the coupon, it's UI Monk hash 2894. I have made 50% offer on this coupon. So you will see it's available on 10,000. So actually 20,000 is the price. 50% offer is discount is applied. So now we are getting it on 10,000. So let me place this order. No thanks. So I'm using Razorpay. You can see test mode is there. So we can choose UPI. Let me choose UPI. Success at the rate. Can have anything. Click on pay now. And you're getting a message saying that please wait while you're processing your payment. And once the payment is done, you're getting the message, thank you for shopping with us. Your account has been charged and your transaction is successful. So as an admin, I will get a notification on my WooCommerce orders. So you can see there we have a order, which is Vishal has made an order and it's processing right now. The total price is here. And you can validate the values. The address which you have added will be available somewhere over here. So this is the product and this is the billing address, this is the shipping address. Processing, we can change the status and it will be notified to the customer via email, and that's it. Alright, now let's start creating this page in WordPress. For that, what we need is we need a WordPress folder. To download it, you can get it in the WordPress.com website. You can simply click on this, you will get a zip and you have to place the zip on the C drive. So my XAMPP, make sure your XAMPP is running. This is the server, local server, which I have. It's a software. We have to just click on start so that the local server starts in your machine. Now once this XAMPP is installed or it's running, what you have to do is you have to get into C drive, you have to get into XAMPP, then you have to get into htdocs. Then we need to upload the zip over here. So I think I have already used this, so copy this. So once you unzip it, you will get this kind of folder structure. You have to unzip it and place it here. Wait till it's completely copied and pasted on this particular folder, and our file is ready. Now we just have to make this, you have to give this a name. So let me give this online mobile store. So we have to give the same, I would suggest you to give the same name to the uh, database which you are creating right now. PHP myadmin, create a new database, just paste the database name which you have created, click on create, and that's done for this particular step. WordPress, at present we don't have any table inside our created database, if you see, but after installation of WordPress all the database will be automatically created. So let's access the folder name using the localhost as a prefix. So now we can access your our folder, WordPress folder. It will ask you to run the installation. So let's install WordPress on our system. So this is choosing the language, click on continue, let's go. and the database name which we have created is this one, and the username is root and the password is none. I'm using XAMPP, so this is the default password. Run on installation, and we are going to create the login for the admin. So let this be a mobile store which will be accessible. If I unpin this, you can see the mobile store is just a WordPress. This is coming from this title. We can give admin and admin as a password, confirm it's a weak password, give the email in case you forgot the password. You will get this reset password link on the image. Discourage this from search engine, as I'm using localhost, that's the reason I'm using. So disable discourage search engine. Now it will ask you to log in. Click on login. Now you have to pass the created credential, admin and admin. Click on remember me. Now I'm going to install all the required themes and plugins, and I'll show you once it's installed. It's going to be time waste. I'll install them in the backend, and once it's done, I'll show you all the required themes and plugins. So we have a theme called Woostify, and for the plugins, we need Elementor. Pro is not needed. Flexible shipping, Razorpay, wishlist, WooCommerce, advanced free shipping, and Sidebar. Cool. Now I hope designing a home page is not required. Let me just use this. So create a page. If you want to learn some advanced designing of page, I have a separate tutorial for Figma to Elementor, the playlist called Figma to Elementor. From there you can learn creating advanced layout with Elementor. So previously I have I have created the layout with Figma and converted the same Figma layout into Elementor. So I'll leave the link for the playlist in the description, and learn the advanced layout. For this I'll just stick on some simple layout. You have to click home and click on publish. Once it is published, you have to set this home page as a home page for this website. So settings, we have to get into readings, make sure this page is load. Once it's load, that's only we can see the list in the drop down, or else it won't show up. So now we are setting this as a static page and it should be home. Click on save changes. So whenever you get into this URL, this page will be called. It's asking do we want this to be full width stretched, and click on update. Now once this is updated, we will be using the Elementor to design the page. Click on edit with Elementor. So now if you see, this is the home page which we have created. This is the home page. So whatever changes I'm making here, that will be reflected on the base URL. So if this is your live website, then this actually will be your home page. Whatever you edit, once the user gets into your domain, they can actually see the page you have. Fine. Now let's design the banner page. It's very straightforward. We just need two containers. So we just need a container with two columns. So this is actually a slider, if you see. So click on this plus column. So this is not what do you call, this is not the Elementor tutorial. I'm just directly going to I'll be in quick phase, so that I would need to complete the process of creating the online mobile shop. So I will be using online mobile shop. So this is I'll show you the minimum requirement for creating this uh, website. Now we have to search for carousel, drag and drop it. We have to insert the images required for the carousel. Let me select all these three, upload it. So once this is done, what you can do is you have to create a new gallery, insert gallery, so that images will be available over here. Now at present is showing 3. Let this be medium, so let this be large, and the slides to show is 1 per slide. Image stretch, let this be. Now you don't have to do anything other than this, sorry for that. Now let's start with the heading. Drag and drop this, You can simply copy this heading and paste it here. Now if you click on this column, vertical align middle, cool. Now get the text editor, search for text editor, drag and drop it just below this, and copy the content and paste it here. Actually it's pasting here would work. So that's cool. I think the first section is done. This mobile brand, click on this plus, full width. It's better to copy this. You can click on duplicate this, drag it and place it, text align center. Now again we need 3 columns. On the first column we need image, search for image, drag and drop the image, and you choose whatever image you want. And the second one is the title. You can make this duplicate, drag and drop it, change the content, get into typography, reduce the size, cool. And once this is done, you have to click on duplicate this, drag this over to the next column, again duplicate this, drag this over to the next column, duplicate this, drag this over to the next column, duplicate this, drag this over to the next column. So I hope you are now familiar with this. Now this needs a shortcode. This can only be seen once we created the product. So let's skip this section and I'll move it to the next section. So by then we can just make this duplicate and drag and drop this below. Actually it needs a new container. Over this container we'll drag and drop this heading. To have some space, click on this 6 dots. Click on this 6 dots once again. Advanced. I need a margin. Unlink this. Click on rem value. So you can see by giving this margin 2, you get some space above the heading. Now again we need a full width container. Here we'll be adding a short code. At present we have not created, so let's just skip this and move it to the next section. This customer section is really very simple. What I have done is click on this box. Once you click on this box, you will find blocks. So in the blocks you have some predefined layouts. You can choose any. So what we need is what the section actually was. It was testimonial. So search for testimonial. Click on this testimonial. Except the pro, whichever thing which does not have pro as an indication can be used as free. So let me click this, and you have to just click on insert. So actually it is asking to get connected. You need to connect this to your email address. As you are using free, we just have to click on OK, yes, yes on all the buttons. I hope it will be time wasting. If you want to look how I have created in the previous, actually this is episode number 5. In the episode number 4 and 3, I have properly detailedly explained all the usage of this which is free layout. So actually it is better to skip this section. We'll just focus on how to sell mobile online. So let me just quickly go through how to install it so that you don't get any second choice. So template, so it is testimonial. So likewise you can have many sections. Click on this, insert, get started. It is asking to sign in, and you will get the email address below. Yes, you got the email address. Continue as UI monk and click on choose an account, and it will automatically log you in. You just click on connect, and once you click on connect and that's done, your Elementor is connected with your email address. Now you can insert any number of an error occurred. Okay, I'm going to do the same procedure again. Click on connect. So you can see the testimonial is here. Now you can edit this by clicking on this. You can edit this by clicking on this. You can change the image, and it's up to you. And again we have discount mobile. So this is popular and this is discount. Let me just make this duplicate. Let me make the shortcode section duplicate. Actually we have shortcode section as well. Cool. So You can make this discount product heading, and you can make this section as review. And again, this coupon section has also come from the pre-made. So actually it was a call to action section. So let me see. Yeah, we have a call to action. So the template I have used is this one. Click on this, insert again. Cool. You just have to change the text as I have used here, that it was a discount on coupon code. Click on this, change the text. If it is too small, you can just increase the value of the size. And on start free trial, we will be using the coupon code. So the text here is UI monk #2894. Click on update. Now the final section is also done. You can see if you don't need the bottom section, click on this and you can remove this. If you don't like this, you can click on this and remove it. In case if you want to change the color, click on the 6 dots, style, background, you can change the color. Cool. Click on update. Now once you click on update, if you access the home page link, if you click on enter, make sure this page is completely loaded or else you won't see any changes. It's updated, and now you should see some the creator design on this page. Cool. And the section is also there. This section will add it after creating these products, testimonial section and this section. In case if you want to have the hover effect, just we have over here, you can see. Click on this image and style, hover, and I want this to be push. So you can see you are getting the push effect. So likewise we have so many animation, you can trust it whichever you like. Now let's install WooCommerce into our system. You click on settings, click on WooCommerce. Actually it was taking us to the WooCommerce wizard. We don't want that. Click on the settings and you'll get this kind of page. So this is actually easier to work on. The address, you can give the address. I'm giving the address, and the country is going to be India, a country and state. India, Maharashtra, and zip code. Selling location, I'm going to sell only to Indians. You can select all, you can select none. Shipping location, shipping to only all countries, that is shipping to a specific country only, which I am going to do, which I am going to ship only to Indian. Default customer location, that is we enable taxes, yes, we will be using taxes. Enable coupon, yes. Calculate coupon sequentially, yes. And the currency is going to be Indian rupee. And click on save changes. Now click on products. So it's a mobile, so it is recommended to be in grams and inch. Enable review, yes. Verified, show verified label, if you want you can have it. Enable star rating, yes. Star rating required. Now the tax. No, I will enter price exclusive. Yes, I will enter price exclusive. No, we want the WordPress to calculate the tax, so I'm clicking on no. Calculate tax based sorry. Yes, on shipping address. Uh, we leave as it is. So we'll be creating a class called GST. Include tax on all the prices. Click on save changes. So once you save changes, the GST class which you have created will be at the top, so you can see GST. Click on GST. So for Indian it is 18% GST on mobile. So first 9% will go for the country India, state code for all, zip code for all, and tax version is 9% and tax name is IGST. Priority 1, don't make shipping. So this 9% will be compulsory uh, for IGST, so you can't do anything now. The other 9% will be either of yes CGST or CGST. So as we have mentioned, our location, our shop location is in Maharashtra. So whoever the customer buys from Maharashtra will get 9% tax in the name of CGST, and you have to make this priority 2. So I'll explain you what is 1 and 2. Just make sure 2 is clicked. If the customer is from another state other than Maharashtra, let's say he's from Goa, India, Goa is GA, and this again 9% will be applied in the name of yes GST, and again the priority will be 2. Likewise, again the another customer from Tamil Nadu, so TN is the state name, 9% yes GST, priority 2. Make sure shipping is clicked, unchecked, and save changes. Likewise, you have to create all the other states and make sure the priority is 2 and make sure this SCGST is applied. Click on save changes. Cool. Now once the shipping is ready, once the tax is ready, we are getting into the shipping section. So in this shipping section we can make like the flat rate or for the percentage rate. So what we'll do is we'll do for Goa people, we'll do the flat rate of uh, 500 rupees shipping, and for Tamil Nadu people the flat rate of shipping is going to be 1000 rupees, because from Maharashtra the distance is far for TN people. Click on add shipping zone. So the zone name is going to be, so let's first, for Maharashtra people the shipping is going to be free, so you have to search for India, India and Maharashtra. So for Maharashtra people, let's create a shipping method, free shipping. Click on add shipping method. Now you can, once this is done, you can click on this edit. So free shipping you can make for a valid, if Maharashtra people have a coupon, you can have this free shipping. If they have a minimum amount, if they have purchased a minimum amount of 10,000 rupees, then they can have a free shipping. And there are some conditions of a minimum order. If they have more than 2 orders or amount, you can make a free shipping, a minimum order amount and a coupon. So these are the conditions for, I want the Maharashtra people to get the free shipping, so I'll just click on not available. So based on these conditions you will get the below input field differently. So let's just make this. And for the second state, what we'll do is click on add shipping method again. You have to get shipping zone. So let's create this for Goa people. So add shipping zone. Now we have Goa. Goa, India. Add shipping method. Flat shipping rate. Click on add shipping method. And once you will see the row, you have to click on edit. And the shipping rate is going to be 500 rupees into quantity. What this means is, if the person purchases 2 products, we want each product to have a shipping price of 500 rupees. It's not like if a person buys 2 product and only 500 rupees is applied. So if there is 2 product, then 1000 rupees should be applied based on this calculation, 500 rupees into quantity. Save changes. Again for Tamil Nadu people, click on shipping zone. We have to create another shipping zone for TN. Add shipping zone. So not only you can select one country, you can select multiple countries on the shipping region. So as it's my hometown, I am including this state. Click on add shipping zone, shipping method. Now free shipping, no, we need a flat rate. Click on add shipping method. Once this is done, you will see the edit button. Actually, it's a link. Click on this. We want this to be 1000 into quantity. It is recommended to have .00 because WordPress also does the same. So our shipping is done. Now the next thing is payment. As we have installed Razorpay, we need a so enable Razorpay is already there. Click on save changes. So we have our secret key. So now, as we have installed the Razorpay, we have the ID and secret from the Razorpay dashboard. In case if you don't have, you can find this one is going to related to that. Click on manage. And here you have to pass the ID and secret. And click on save changes. Account and privacy. We don't have much here. Allow customer to place order without an account. Without an account, he can place the order as a guest. So yes. Allow customer to create an account during checkout. No, we don't want that. Remove personal data. So these things are self-explanatory. You can do this as you wish to have on your website. Now this is email. So whatever, if there is a new order, get the email on this address. If there is a cancel order, get the email to this address. If there is a failed order, get this email to the address. So these if the order is on hold, this will send to the customer. Processing order again to the customer. Complete order again to the customer. Refund order. Customer note, reset password, and new account. All these things, your client will get the email, and we don't have to do anything over here. Integration. Again, we can leave this as it is. Click on advanced to make sure card, checkout, and my account is selected. For security fee, order fee, we don't have to do anything over here. So now it's time to create the product. So click on products, add product. Let's just add only one product with multiple product variation. So there are two types of product. We have single product and variable product. So let's create variable product. If you see variable product, there will be a price starting from 18,000 to 22,000. If there is a single product, you will see just only one price. So if there is a variable product, you can see there are multiple options available. So let me get into different product. So actually that was fine, no problem. So if you see Vivo Y35, if I select the gold, the price is 18,000. If I select the black, the price is 22,000. You can see based on the selection, the image also changes. Cool. Now let's create this. So what the product name was, Vivo. So before doing anything, create the category Vivo, add new category. So once it is selected, you can see you can select this or unselect this. The description, it's not a single product. If it is single product, you can just directly have the price here. If it is a variable product, so each product will have different price, so that's the reason this section will be hidden. So if I click on variable product, you can see it's hidden now. Yes, it's taxable and the tax class is GST. inventory. Each mobile will have a unique number, and this unique number is here. Yes, we want only one product to be sold at a time, so sold individually. We can have the grams, it's up to you. I'm just manually inputting random numbers. Linked product. So linked, this product, this section will be only available once you create more than one product. So you can link two products. Like if I click on this, I have already clicked this product, so at the bottom you will see the suggestions. So these suggestions are from this link product. As we don't have any product at present, so we can't choose anything. So once you create more than one product, you can simply type VIVO and you will see the suggestions below. At present we don't have any, so I would recommend you to have look at this only after creating one product. So for the attributes, so as attributes we have colors. So we have two colors, so we'll name the attribute as colors. It's colors, and we have two color, which is black and gold. Black 5 and gold. So whatever you type here, which will actually populated over here. So we have just typed gold and black, not dawn gold and agate black. So for this we'll just see black and gold. So I would recommend you to have detailed color. So use this for variation, yes. So this attribute, so now we have only two attribute, so only two variation will be created. Click on variation. So there is the flow. If you directly jump into variation, you won't find anything. You have to create attribute, and then only you have to jump into the variation. So create variation from all attributes, since we have only one attribute, which is color, which has two categories. Only two will be created. So the reason for taking time is there will be two products. So we need to give product to both of them. We need to give price to both of them. So two variation added. So for black, what is the image? So let me add the image. I'll link this in the description. Vivo V35, I guess. Select these, select all, open, and this is black, so click on black. Save variation. The SKU number, the price is 18,000. If it is sale, you can have a sale price of 17. If it is sale, you will find the sale option here. You can see minus 21%, and you can see sale is displayed on as a batch. Cool, the weight, random number, stop. Shipping class same as parent, it's GST, and for gold, this is gold, save 22,000, weight, shipping class GST, save change. And cool, I think that's done. Now we just have to add the image. So for the product image, we want this to be displayed, and for the gallery image, you can select all. 1 2 3 4, make sure shift is pressed, and that's it. If you have any video URL, you can place the video URL here, and you can add the tags. Click on publish. Once this is published, we don't have any menu here, so let's create a menu. So menu is not in here. Yes, it's here. We just need to add menu and look at the shop page. So home, the name of the menu, private menu, click on create menu, and then we can add home cart, checkout, my account, shop page as a menu. Click on save. So once it's done, I think it's not done yet. Home, cart, checkout, counts, add to menu. So you can see once it's done, you will see this images, see the link over here. See the links. Yeah, you can change this to home. It's up to you. So the second thing, we need to add logo. So get into the customize. So your customize will load here. Here you can change the difference, or we need the header to be changed. So click on site identity. Actually we need to add logo, so select logo. We need to upload the logo. Click on select. Click on crop image. Once it's done, once the cropping is done, you will see the image as a logo. You can reduce the size, and the menu which we have added is also displayed over here. Click on publish. So since we are already in the customize section, we just need one more thing to be done, which is the sidebar. So layout, sidebar. For the shop we want right sidebar. For the single we don't need any sidebar. Click on publish. Now we have to access the link. Now you can click on shop. So you can see your product is there. Click on this product. Actually we have made the sale, so sale is also there. And now you can see, you can choose the option black, you can choose the option gold. So description is not saved yet, so that's the reason we could not see. Description is here, but there is one more thing, one more place for description. So short description we have not filled, that's why it's not showing up. Fine, this is also looking cool. So black and gold. So that's done. Now for the shop page we just need one more thing, which is we have to get into the widget. So appearance widget. So over here, if you remember, we have installed Woot sidebar. So on this page you find these sidebar archives in category. These are coming from this section. So we can simply delete this. Actually Woocommerce sidebar is here. Select this, remove heading. So here we need WooCommerce. Let's search for, first get search, product search, and then let's have price filter, and then we have category, products by category, review category, product category list, and click on publish. So we have only one category, and in the one category we have the created product Vivo. That's why it's showing up. So if you click this page, you'll see the changes. The search bar, actually I think it's not saved yet, that's why we could not see. Yes, it's saved now. You'll see the search bar, the filter, and the category. Now it's up to you. You can design these as you want. So you can see starting from 17,000 and ends on 20,000, because we have only one product over here. So I think most of the thing is covered. We just need to test this. So as a end user, we'll get into incognito and get into shop page, and add this to cart. We'll select gold, add this to cart. So this sidebar is coming from wish list, which we have installed the plugin named wish list. So let's just install, give some random names. So we'll make this Mumbai, Maharashtra, and 421201 phone number 12345678910. This is not my number. This is actually mine. We don't have to ship. Click. If it's Maharashtra, it would be free shipping. You can see free shipping. Let's make this Tamil Nadu, the flat rate of 1000. You can see. If it is Goa, flat rate of 500 rupees. We have missed one thing, which is coupon. So create coupon on the WooCommerce. You'll find coupons. Create your first one. So the coupon name is UI Monk #2894, and it's a fixed discount. No, it's a percentage discount. We have to make this 50% discount and allow free shipping, and we don't need to set any expiry date. It is going to be unlimited. So 50% is too much. Yes, it's fine because it's our website and I'm purchasing it, so I deserve a 50% discount. So if there is a minimum spend, then only apply this coupon. If there is a maximum spend, then only apply this coupon. And there are some self-explanatory options, like if you want the particular product to have a coupon, you can search this product, like Vivo 35 in our case. Don't want that. So we can exclude a product not to have a coupon. Likewise, we have some more options. Click on publish. Once it is published, we'll add a coupon here. It says, do you have a coupon? Make sure it's saved or you won't see these power change. So let's select this coupon. Yes, I have a coupon. Apply coupon. So by applying this coupon, you'll get free shipping and 50% off. So free shipping. Actually, free shipping is not applied. Fine. And the flat rate. Yes, it's applied. SCGST because it's Goa. If it is Maharashtra, then CGST. Yes. If it is Tamil Nadu, yes, GST. Yes, fine. IGST is fixed. So now we get 50% off. Fine, that's working. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening.